Yes, I finally cracked the code to growing your YouTube channel organically, and you're going to have a guaranteed increase in your subscriber count and your watch hours. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips that's going to ensure that you grow your subscriber count and you grow your watch hours. And without further ado, we're starting right now. Very quickly, before I start this video, let me make something clear, more like a disclaimer. I do not endorse or encourage sub for sub, because sub for sub is against the rules and regulations of YouTube. Okay, and sub for sub does not help you in any way because it only helps to increase your subscriber count, and it does nothing to help your watch hours, because your subscribers do not subscribe to you because they're interested in your content. They subscribe to you because you're giving them your subscription in exchange, so they don't consume your content. So if you're here looking for sub ideas, it's time for you to take your leave. You're still here, meaning you want to grow your channel organically. Now I'm going to be sharing with you 3 steps that we can take that will guarantee 100% that we will have more subscribers and more watch hours. Okay, now before I jump right into it, let us have some background knowledge about this code that I cracked. Okay, if you are a small YouTuber and you're watching me right now, I am 100% sure that you have more friends on Facebook than you do on YouTube. Your number of friends on Facebook is higher than your number of subscribers on YouTube. I am also very certain that your number of followers on Instagram is a lot more than your number of subscribers on YouTube. And I also know that your number of followers on Twitter is a lot higher than your number of subscribers on YouTube. Now, I've seen even big-time social media influencers with thousands of friends and followers on Twitter who have YouTube channels and they don't even have up to 500 subscribers. Okay, so why does this happen? Why do we have more people engage with our platform and our profile on social media, and we have less and less people engaging with our content on YouTube? Now, I discovered that those platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, they are social media platforms where people interact with one another, where people form bonds and friendships and relationships. People even meet their life partners on those platforms. Okay, that means that they engage and connect on an emotional level, and they get to trust themselves enough to do business with each other and to even marry one another. Okay, now that's how come people get to, get emotional, get connected, socialize, and interact with one another more on those platforms than on YouTube. Now, that interaction, that connection, that familiarity, that camaraderie is what we are going to bring to YouTube. Okay, we're going to bring that that connection. We're going to bring that element of social connection that exists on social media. We're going to bring it to YouTube. Now we're going to turn our YouTube profile or channel into like a social media platform where people get to interact on a higher level and get to know each other and get to do business together and get to interact. That is what we are going to do, and we are going to do it in 3 quick and easy steps. Now, step number 1, okay, if it's your first time here, you're welcome. You see the red subscribe button below? You're gonna hit it and turn on the bell notification and put it to all, okay, so that when I do another video, you'll be the first to know. That is step number 1. Now we've gotten step number 1 right out of the way. Now we go to step number 2. I want you to do something for me. Go to the comment section below this video right now, introduce yourself, tell us where you're from, and tell us the kind of content you create on YouTube. Okay, let me do mine first so that you will understand what I want you to do. My name is Victor Isibo. I'm a YouTube content creator based in Benin City, Nigeria. I do motivational videos. I talk money, I talk savings, I talk investments, and I talk stuff that edify you in all ramifications of life. Okay, that's what I want you to do in the comment section below. And yeah, just do that. Introduce yourself, let us know you and what you create. Now, step number 3. Every comment you see below this video, reply that comment. Tell them if you love the kind of content that they create, and tell them that you're going to check out their channel, and tell them that if you enjoy what they do, you're going to subscribe to them. Okay, so interact with people who have commented in the comment section below. Interact, discuss with them their content. Oh, what are the challenges you face creating this kind of content? Where do you get the materials that you use to do this kind of content? What kind of gears do you use to create this kind of content? Be friends with them, connect with them, okay? Every comment in the comment section below, reply them, connect with them, check up their YouTube channel. If you like their content, subscribe to their channel. But whether you're subscribing to their channel or not, connect with them, get to know them, interact with them. You know, let us have like a little bit of a forum in the comment section below where people get to know one another and get to interact with one another on another level. Okay, that is what we're going to do. And I guarantee you that you're going to be having lots of subscribers on a daily basis in the comment section below this video. And here is what you do. After watching this video and you click away, make sure you check back to reply any comment or any response to the comment that you have made on this video. Now, there's the catch. On social media, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, when people reply to your picture or your post, you respond to them, you interact with them. You don't do that on YouTube, so people don't feel like they need to consume your content. Okay? I tell you something, whether you like the content of somebody or not, if you like the person, you will watch their YouTube videos. I'll say that again. If you like somebody, you have a connection with somebody, you have an emotional attachment with somebody, you have a relationship with somebody, whether you like their content or not, when they make content, you're going to watch it. That's why your favorite musician can put out a song and say absolutely nothing reasonable, and yet you will still listen to it because that connection exists between the both of you. And that's the kind of connection we want to establish in the comment section below. Okay, now I am going to pin my own introduction and the kind of content I create in the comment section below, and I await your responses. This method will not work if we don't make it work. So take the step. If you're watching this video, do that by commenting below your name, where you're from, and the kind of content that you're creating. I'm going to be engaging with everybody in the community as well. Thank you for watching this video. This video will make you have organic growth on your channel. I guarantee you. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now. But I'll remain in the comment section below this video, interacting with you, consuming your content, and getting to know you better.